Hello, this video will discuss the correct order of imports in Python. One of the many advantages of Python is its vast community and the vast amount of code already written. Therefore, knowing how to use that's already available is essential. To use this in our project, we need to learn how to correctly import them into our projects. It's also essential to understand that you are not only written code, but also maintaining it. Other developers might work with your code in the future. So having a clear order in our code is really important. This order is also reflected in how we order our import. If you are IT person or just interested, subscribe to our channel. You can find the sequence in which we write imports in Pep8. The link will be left in the description under this video. We divide our imports into 3 groups. Let's talk about these groups in more detail. In each group, imports are listed alphabetically, which is essential. The first group includes Python's built-in libraries, such as OS, sys, math, datetime, JSON, RE. They are also called batteries. You might hear the phrase batteries included. Pep8 suggests writing a new import on a new line. Here is the correct way, and there is the incorrect way. Let's keep only the correct method and delete the wrong one. The second block includes additional libraries and frameworks that must be installed separately on your computer. Not loaded libraries will be underlined in red. Let me show you 2 ways to install them. First, type pip install and library or framework name using the terminal. Downloaded, the framework will no longer be underlined. Now let's do it using PyCharm. Click here, choose Interpreter Settings. You'll see the already installed packages. If you want to download, press the plus button. To delete, press minus. Start typing what you need and many options will be suggested. Be very carefully and download exactly what you need. Click on Install Package and wait. Installed. You can see our Django is now available. It's not underlined in red anymore. Lastly, we have our packages and modules written by you or your colleagues. They will be the third column. Let's write a function that adds 2 numbers and import it into our file. We'll name it addition, specify that it takes 2 numbers, which can be either int or float, and will also return int or float. We'll save our sum in result variable and return as the function result. Now let's import our function. As you can see, all our imports are grayed out, indicating they are not being used. Let's use our function. All libraries and frameworks, our second column, must be installed. If not, you'll get an error. Let's run it. There is an error. Let's delete line with import request, as we haven't installed it, and run them again. Now everything works. In the description under this video, you'll find useful links and materials on related topics. There will also be a link to a short test to check and reinforce your knowledge. Thank you for watching this video. I would appreciate the like you've given and your comment.